Hello everyone, how are you? I am Akrash, your teacher here, and I will teach you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com. So our today's question is, how effective is to request to push back the deadline for your project? And the answer of the question is, it can be very effective to request to push back the deadline for your project if it is for a valid reason such as unexpected illness or an unanticipated delay in receiving necessary materials. In these cases, it is usually in everyone's best interest to adjust the deadline to allow for unforeseen circumstances. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any question related to this video, please post a comment below. If you have any question in your mind, you can also post on the website and I will be answering you in the next video. Thank you for engaging with us. Until next video, bye bye.